I'm here today to talk about World Meat Free Week and the reasons why we should consider having a few meat-free dishes in our diet.
I'm having the curry and it's absolutely delicious.
Great, actually. Tastes really nice. If you didn't tell me what it was, I wouldn't actually know the difference between if it wasn't meat or not, yeah.
It's satisfying. It has that kind of, it fills your stomach kind of feel that I find vegetables don't really do.
I pledge to do 1 day per week meat-free, 100%.
I think it's really important that we try having an occasional meat-free meal because it improves our health and it improves the environment, and there are lots of wins.
Australians eat more meat than just about any other country anywhere in the world. There's a whole bunch of reasons why we should consider eating more meat-free meals.
I did not know that. That is astonishing.
Yeah.
It's astonishing to hear that.
Wow, no, I didn't know that. Wow, that's something.
Well, yeah, that's awesome.